Hey, what's up? This is KA for General Graphics channel, and today we start Adobe Illustrator. First, you must know what is graphic design and what is 2D and 3D programs. Let's start. First, open Paint. This is graphic design. We are working digital graphics. What is digital? Digital graphics mean computer graphic arts, and it's divided into two parts, 2D and 3D. 2D means working on printing projects like which programs? Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, InDesign. And what is 3D programs? When you design a game, or when you're making animation short film, or you're working on VFX, or you're working on architecture design, these all projects belongs to 3D programs like 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, Blender, or more. And now we have start Adobe Illustrator CC 2021. Three important points. Pay attention. The first, you must know about colors. We have two important colors, CMYK, RGB, and gray. The first color, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, just for printing projects, and RGB just for web design, for application design, for video or film design. And the next color just for black and white projects. And the second important thing is you must know about formats. One of the very usual format is AI EPS. This is just for using incomplete project of Illustrator. And the very common format is JPEG or JPG, just for digital formats. PNG just for logo design. It means transparent background. And another one, PDF, it's a protect file. You can edit text, you can edit image. And which projects Adobe Illustrator you can work. The most important is branding. What is branding? When you design a logo, business card, flyer, brochure, banner, and etc. It's called branding. And the second very important project is tracing. What's tracing? This is, I have example. This is tracing, Illustrator tracing. When you draw a photo on wall, it's called tracing. یعنی دیوار نگاری در روی دیوار که یک تصویر رسم میکنی. And the next is infographic. We have two type of infographic. The first is still, and the another one is motion infographics. There is Illustrator infographics, another one is motion infographics. When you make animation about Corona advertisement, okay? Okay, the another project is 3D logo design or 3D Revolve Design. There is example about 3D Revolve Design. Illustrator 3D Revolve. There are the samples. You can model a can, a bottle, any kind of 3D. Another one, perspective design. There is a sample about Illustrator perspective design. You can all these design for animation, 2D infographics, and at end you can design story board for what? For your animation short film. What is a storyboard? Illustrator storyboard template. This is a storyboard. You can design shot step by steps with the sketch and with the scripts like this. Start of your animation in first 5 seconds. What kind of scene and what is the script? Okay, let's start Illustrator. Go to start menu, write Illustrator. This is Illustrator, or you can go to start menu, search from all apps in Windows 11. This is Illustrator. Select. This is Illustrator, and when you open Illustrator you have multi-project requests like letter, postcards, common, iPhone X, HD, TV, and more. It means you can use Illustrator for application themes design. You can use Illustrator for websites, for printing, for film and videos, for art illustrations. How you create project in Adobe Illustrator? I have example. When you make branding about a company like Samsung branding, select millimeter and which designs presets you want to make or design. Logo, business card, brochure, flyer, banner. Okay, for printing you have margins, and for websites and film and videos, for websites you can use the margins as bleed, and for film and videos you can use pixel aspect ratio margins. And there is about colors. If you want to design this for printing, just use CMYK colors. If you want to design this for social media marketing like Facebook, Instagram, select the RGB color and go to raster effects, which pixel presets you want to use. If your design is down of a meter, you can select 300 pixel per inch. If your design is up to 1 meter, 2 meter, just your resolution is going down. And your preview mode If your computer is very high performance, you can select default or your computer is low performance, you can select the pixel or overprint. And now I want to select the default, and there is more setting. There is one option is extra, that's spacing between artboards, 5 millimeter between two artboards, and select create document. This is Adobe Illustrator but not ready for use, because set your workspace to painting and reset painting. This is toolbar and this is control, and the very important window is layers, and this is switch. And you can set your artboard for your project like what the first project was about logo, the second is about business card. Go to tools and select artboard, select your business card and change the size to business card. First rename it to business card and change the size. The width is 95 millimeter. This is the standard size about business card, and the height is 50, like this. And your flyer is, change the flyer size. First rename it flyer and setting the size about, first change it landscape. Okay, 197, change it first A4 and then 150. This is the standard size of flyer. And this is the brochure. The brochure is have three-fold. First select the preset A4 size, change it to landscape, and there is the presets, change to 300 millimeter, because the brochure design is divided in 3 parts, 1 2 3, three-fold. And this is the banner. The banner size is belongs to you. You must take a size by meters, centimeters, millimeters, then change it there. And this is about your logo design. Your logo design you can select and change it to A4, and you can change it to rectangle size 210 to 10. This is about your logo design. And what's the project name? Is Samsung branding. Okay, if you want to work on websites, just select your workspace on web. If you want to work on image, to change it tracing and paint on the wall, change your workspace Illustrator to tracing. And there is about typography, and this is about toolbar, the basic toolbar, and you can change it to advanced like this. If your toolbar is closed, then go to window menu and go to toolbar, turn on the toolbar like this. How to control your project? Press Alt and scroll your project. Another way, Control plus space, mouse click. And for zoom out, Alt space Control mouse click for zoom out. And this is space plus mouse click for moving your project. Thank you for watching another video. The next video is starting from tools. Please subscribe and like and ring the bell for more videos. See you next time.